Hey everyone, Rudy here with Siser. Today we're going to talk about a really special product and very important product in our product line. This product will help us apply our transfers onto sublimated fabrics. Yes, you heard it, sublimated fabrics. Stay tuned, we're going to talk about PS Subli. So, as you guys can see here, I have what is a sublimated fabric, okay? So this is a polyester based material that has been sublimated on. Now, how can I tell if this has been sublimated? One of the easiest ways to know if a fabric has been sublimated, if you look at the backing of it, typically if it's white and on the front you have a nice pattern, that will tell you that that fabric has been sublimated, okay? So not every vinyl can work on this type of material because that sublimation ink, once it's applied or once it's placed under the heat again, it will start migrating under the vinyl, okay? So let's say you're working with a white vinyl, you see the red areas here, those red areas will make the vinyl, the white vinyl turn pink, okay? That's called dye migration. So you need a specific product that will block the dye migration. Another great tool to use if you don't see the white backing and to know if the product or the fabric is sublimated, simply grab one of the polyester carriers, and if you apply it over it just for a few seconds, if you lift it and you see that there is ink left behind on the carrier, that tells you that it is also sublimated. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about the PS Subli. As you guys can see, we have a white vinyl here that we're applying directly on top of the sublimated fabric. Okay, the advantages of this product, well, of course, you can use it on sublimated fabrics. Also, it can be applied at 130 degrees, so very low temperature for this application process. Okay, so let's bring the camera in it and we're going to show you the process to apply this material onto a polyester sublimated fabric. Okay. Alright, so we have gone ahead and mirrored cut our image onto our material here. Again, we're using our PS Subli. Now we're going to go ahead and weed this design out just like any other vinyl. We're going to go ahead and grab the corner there and we're going to go ahead and peel. Alright, so we have our sublimated fabric here. We're going to go place the PS Subli directly on top. As you guys can see, we have our last name and a number. We're also going to cover it with a parchment paper, which is going to help reduce or not let ink hit the top of my heat press here. All right, now again, we are applying this at 130 degrees for 15 seconds. Perfect, guys, so there it is. Let's go ahead and remove that parchment paper and let's see how this turned out. Again, we want to see that we had no migration here and it's looking pretty nice. So you guys can see there's no migration on the vinyl. The vinyl is still white, but check this out. On the carrier, you still see some of the colors. So the fabric did migrate, as you guys can see here on the carrier sheet. So there's our red, there's our black, but it did not actually affect the vinyl, which is what we were going for there, okay? What do you guys think? Pretty cool, huh? So again, this product is perfect if you are working with sublimated fabrics. As you guys can see, even the white does not migrate, okay? So that is the importance of this product in our product line. If you guys have any questions at all regarding this material or any other products that we offer, make sure to check out our website, www.siser.it, or you can also check us out on social media at Siser Official is our Facebook page, and also Instagram account. If you guys are into crafting, make sure you join our little community, the Siser Craft Kitchen. We'll see you all there. Thank you for joining us.